Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel's Bratlin Public School, will teach you computer of grade 2. So, dear students, this is a part 1 video for the chapter 3. How does a computer work? A computer cannot work on its own. We need to enter letters, numbers, pictures, and instructions into the computer to make it work. These are called data. Different parts of a computer do different tasks. A computer works in three basic steps. First, input. Second, process. Third, output. Suppose, let us take an examples to understand the basic steps of computer. Suppose a blunt pencil is an input, process would be sharpening, and sharp pencil will be an output. Let us take another example. If dirty clothes are input, process washing clothes and output is clean clothes. Let us understand these steps by taking an examples of our body parts. When a teacher asks us a question, we hear with our ears and see with our eyes. The ears and eyes are the input units. Our brain stores everything that a teacher says. Then it thinks of an answer and orders us to speak. In this way, the brain works like a processing unit. When we answer with our mouth, it works like an output unit. Input. Let us know about input. The data and instruction that we enter into a computer are called input. We input data using a keyboard and a mouse. After that process, working on the data is called processing. The CPU works on the data and does all the thinking and calculation. After that, output. Output means the final result. When the CPU finishes processing the data, the output is displayed on the monitor. Monitor and printer are the most common output devices. Let us understand the working of a computer with an example. The data and instruction together are the input. Here 2 and 5 are the data and plus is the instruction. Now the CPU will work on the data according to the instructions, that it will add the numbers 2 and 5. Then 7 is the correct result or output of the sum. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. So dear students, this is our result. पहले हमने इनपुट में 2 प्लस 5 को मतलब प्लस करने के लिए बोला, प्रोसेस में वो प्लस हुआ और 7 में हमें आउटपुट मिला. सो दीज आर basic step. Thank you very much to watching this video, students. Stay safe, stay healthy, and subscribe this channel.